The Prophet said, alayhi salatu wasalam, when a dog licks in one of your utensils, you have to pour away and dispose of what was in it, wash it 7 times with water and once with soil. So you get soil from the ground and you wash it with it, and that would purify it. This is restricted to the dog's licking in utensils. The most authentic opinion, if the dog licks your hand, if the dog licks your clothes, you just wash them off normally as you wash other najasat. Similarly, the dog's urine is najis, impure, but its impurity is like human urine. So you just wash it off. You don't need to wash it 7 times and once with soil. This is only limited to when a dog licks in one of your utensils. And of course we have to remind the viewers that owning a dog, because the angels of mercy would not enter your home, and every day the equivalent to Mount Uhud. How big is Mount Uhud? It's a huge mountain. So the equivalence to Mount Uhud of your own good deeds would be deducted every day. And I highly doubt that you and I would have the amounts that would suffice a single day, let alone a long period of time. May Allah protect us. Can we do quick ghusl if we want to purify ourselves from menses? The answer is yes. Ghusl is one, which is to intend to uplift the major ritual impurity by covering your whole body with water and turning the water in your mouth and rinsing your nose. So the sunnah way is to first of all wash your hands 3 times, wash your private part, then wash your hand again with a detergent so that no najasa is there. Then perform wudu, normal wudu, with the exception of the feet, don't wash them. Then take 3 scoops of water and wash your hair thoroughly reaching the scalp. Then pour water over your whole body, wash your feet, that's it.